The iTRUSOU food warming mat is a must-have for anyone who loves hosting parties, buffets, or family gatherings. This electric warming tray is designed to keep your food at the perfect temperature, ensuring that every meal stays warm and delicious for as long as you need. One of the best features of this food warmer is its full-surface heating technology. Unlike traditional warmers that only heat specific areas, this mat evenly distributes heat across the entire surface. Whether you're keeping appetizers warm, serving a main course, or even using it to thaw frozen foods, this warming mat gets the job done efficiently. It comes with 3 adjustable temperature settings, allowing you to customize the heat level based on your needs. Whether you need a gentle warmth to keep delicate dishes from drying out or higher heat for maintaining the perfect serving temperature, the iTRUSOU warming mat gives you full control. Another great advantage is its versatility. It's perfect for holiday gatherings, dinner parties, or everyday use in the kitchen. The sleek and slim design makes it easy to store when not in use, and it blends seamlessly with any table setup. Safety is also a priority with this food warming mat. It features a durable, heat-resistant surface and non-slip materials to ensure stability. Plus, it operates efficiently without consuming too much energy, making it both practical and cost-effective. If you're tired of food getting cold before it's served or looking for an easier way to thaw frozen ingredients, this is a fantastic solution. It's reliable, easy to use, and enhances your hosting experience. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the link in the description below.